Hello, this is Christiane Amanpour, back again to help you separate fact from fiction online. There was a day when you got your news from the local paper and the evening newscast, and I vividly remember clustering around the TV set in the CNN newsroom to see what the competition was up to at 6 p.m. every night, or getting my news from the BBC World Service radio while I was traveling on the job. But now, more than half of Americans get their news from social media. That's according to the Pew Research Center. It's the same all over the world, while local newspapers that know their towns and cities and their politicians better than anyone continue to shutter. And this has left the door open for false local news websites, which we call pink slime journalism, which seep into your social media feeds to influence how you vote or to make a quick advertising buck. In fact, a Columbia University study found that just one of these pink slime networks nearly tripled in size to over 1,200 local news sites in all 50 states in the run-up to the 2020 election. That's a problem. But by asking who's behind the information, it can be easy to sort real local news from fake local news. Just look for these things, an author or byline. You could use a reverse image search and lateral reading to make sure they're real. Look for a date, since information can change by the hour, and see if there is an about page that might have a corrections policy. Original reporting is another good sign. Are they quoting experts? Most importantly, see what other sources say about the website. Even checking Wikipedia can help you decide whether to trust it. And when in doubt, just read about the issue, the event, or the person across multiple news outlets. In fact, that's a good rule in general. Now, let's try out some examples to see if you can identify the pink slime from the real thing.